How's it going today? So I have to finish sanding up down here at the bottom of the wall. So I'm going to sand all the way around the room just to get that perfectly kind of flat, smooth it out some. And then ready to prime the walls and paint. So today's a good day, trying to get a lot done. I got a late start, but I'm going to try to get a lot done anyway. Man, it's a dusty job. My battery ran out just in time too. Let me pop this on the charger. And move on. I gotta scrape off some of these edges, clean them up real nice. So I cleaned that up some more down at the bottom. And all the edges of the wall look way better. So I'm finishing up this side, just scraping off all the excess. Just waiting for stuff to dry, and I think I'm gonna start working on some of this trim. So while some of this stuff is drying, I'm gonna start sanding down, you know, things like that. I was patching up. Yeah, I need to add some wood filler right there. I have some trim here that needs to be sanded. So when I'm ready to paint, I could just knock this out. All right, so I'm gonna caulk right here. I figured I might as well knock that out now. All right, use every last drop of that one. And I know I probably don't need to use this, but I really like the results. Looks really clean and professional.